Have you got a product with common user issues? Today we're going to go through and see how ChatGPT can help us create a fantastic troubleshooting guide. We can add this guide into our user manual or a standalone guide for whatever product it is that we have. So firstly, we're just going to ask ChatGPT to help us create an outline for a troubleshooting section for our LG 420 bottom mount fridge. I'm using an example. I know absolutely nothing about these, but let's just see what ChatGPT comes up with. So straight away it's gone through and done a pretty good outline. Let's see if it will open Canvas. Can you open this in Canvas? Here we go. So Canvas is the new ChatGPT feature, which I'm absolutely loving. It allows us to keep this same screen open, the canvas open, while we make edits and changes here. This all stays the same other than it goes through and edits as we go through. So that is not too bad at all. Now let's see if we can get a little bit more information for each section. Okay, now add a little more information for each section. So you can see here it's going through creating the edits. We're going to call professional, error codes, e.g. So obviously Chat doesn't know what all the error codes are. This is where you will need to know your product, and you could go through and say error code E1 is fridge fuse. Error code E2 is fan not working. Error code E3 is, what else can go wrong with the fridge? Freezer not working. So now what it's going to do is go through, create these edits down in this section. We'll just give it a moment. Here we go. Potential causes, E1 solutions. Inspect the fan. If it is not running, it may need cleaning or replacement. So again, you will need to go through and use your own expertise to add exactly what you need here. So your expertise may be knowing something about this particular model, which it should be, as you are the one creating the guide for it. So in this particular model of fridge, there is a switchable fuse that can sometimes blow, causing the fridge to turn off. It is a simple fix. You just need to look at the rear top right of the fridge and you will see the switchable fuse. Switch it back on and away you go. So we add that. Chat will come through and do its editing. So that's going to be power related. Fridge not cooling. Where's our power? Strange noise, error codes, maintenance and tips. I've added information and how to reset E1. Okay, check the fridge fuse and replace if necessary. There is a switchable fuse located at the rear top of the fridge. If the fuse is blown, simply switch it back on to restore power. Fantastic. So you can see here how good this canvas is. As you make the changes, it just goes through and edits the same screen rather than creating content on content on content, and you end up with a huge big screen full of text. You're just working on the one article. Now, you can also edit sections. So say for the introduction, if we highlight this, you can then come down, suggest edits, adjust the length, the reading level, final polish, add emojis. I really don't understand why emojis are there. They're not something I guess if you're doing social media content creation and things like that, but it's not quite for me. So adjust the length. Let's see if we can make this introduction just longest. That didn't sound good, but let's see what happens. So we're just working through the introduction there. As you can see, it has expanded it out. So if you have sections that you believe could benefit from more information. Maybe it's a more in-depth problem. You can go through and get Chat to clean it up for you. So add final polish. Just proofreading, going through. So I've added some final polish to the introduction, ensuring the language is consistent and flows smoothly while emphasizing key safety measures. So as you can see, I mean, that introduction is now ruined, but in no time at all, you can create a fantastic troubleshooting guide, which you can put into your user manuals or as a standalone guide. Have this mentioned the... No, good. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you out. Have a good day.